While hunting, moose are most often detected first by smell. Wolves commonly hunt into the wind, and by doing so can smell moose from 300 yards away. A moose with jaw necrosis is vulnerable, and wolves can almost certainly smell that a moose has jaw necrosis before even seeing it. The life of a wolf is difficult and typically short. The chances of pup survival are highly variable. In some years, for some packs, most or all pups die. In other years, most or all survive. Of the wolves that survive their first 6 to 9 months, most are dead by 3 or 4 years of age. Every year, 1 in 4 or 5 adult wolves dies in a healthy wolf population. Alpha wolves tend to be the longest lived. They commonly live for between 6 and 9 years. Of the pups that survive their first year, only about 1 or 2 of every 10 rise to the level of alpha. Most die without ever reproducing, and few wolves ever live long enough to grow old. These rates of mortality are normal, even when humans are not involved in the death of wolves. Wolves are intensely social. They are born into a family and spend most of their time with other wolves. Wolves know each other, and they know each other well. Imagine a world where it is common for 1 out of every 4 or 5 people of the people you know to die. The causes of wolf death are primarily lack of food and being killed by other wolves in conflict over food. This fact denies all credibility to perceiving wolves as wasteful gluttons as they are often portrayed. Most wolves die in the process of dispersing. Dispersal is a tremendous risk, but one worth taking. Ultimately, the only thing that matters is reproducing. Reproduction is very unlikely within the pack to which a wolf is born. It is better to risk death for some chance of finding a mate and a territory than to live safely, but have virtually no chance of reproduction.